I know what it's like to be lost. I know what it's like to be homeless, addicted, broken, forgotten. People walk past you like you're invisible. You start to believe the lie that your life doesn't matter. But I'm here to tell you it does. And if nobody has told you today, let me be the one to say, you matter. There was a time when I had nothing, and I mean nothing. No place to sleep, no food, just pain, regret, and the weight of my own choices. I cried out. I screamed. I cursed. But then I whispered a name I barely believed anymore. God. I didn't expect an answer, but I got one. Not the way I wanted, but exactly the way I needed. God didn't send me riches. He didn't drop a miracle out of the sky. No, he stripped me. He took away every material thing I held on to, everything I used to distract myself from the truth. I didn't realize it then, but he was removing the noise so I could finally hear him. He wanted my attention, and now he's got it. I walked in the darkness, talked darkness. I lived in it so long, it became normal. But once I let God in, once I truly surrendered, the light started coming in, little by little. And it wasn't churchy, it wasn't fake, it was real. I could breathe again, feel again, hope again. I'm not perfect, but I'm no longer who I was, and neither are you. If you're watching this and you're struggling, if you feel stuck, tired, or numb, I want you to hear me clearly. You're not alone. In your past, it doesn't disqualify you. It qualifies you for redemption. But you gotta want it. You gotta ask. And above all, you gotta stop running and start seeking. Every single person walking this earth has a purpose. But some of us are moving too fast, chasing what the world tells us to chase, or worse, we're stuck living by someone else's truth, never asking God for our own. And that's how we become stagnant. Not because we're lazy, but because we've been lied to. But now, you know better. They're not better than you. The people you look up to, they're no better than you. The only difference is they made a decision. They chose to cut off distractions, to stop blaming the world, do the hard work of growth. You can do it too. You don't need more followers, more money, a new relationship. What you need is already inside of you. And with Jesus, it's more than enough. I'm not here just to talk. I'm here to walk with you. This journey isn't easy, but it's worth it. If this message spoke to something deep in you, comment below. Share your story. Subscribe so you don't miss what God is doing through this space. I talk God all the time, not because I'm perfect, but because I've been through hell and lived to tell about it. Let's grow together. Are you with me?
Let them talk, baby. Even Jesus had folks throwing shade. You just keep walking with purpose.